In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Webflow API key. Whether you're starting out with API integrations or prepping your Webflow site for some advanced functionalities, obtaining your API key is the gateway to unlocking these opportunities. Now, let's dive right in and make this process as straightforward as possible. First, start by opening up your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Webflow and hit Enter. You should see a link to the Webflow site. Click on it, and you'll find yourself on the Webflow homepage. From here, you need to log into your account. If you already have an account, just enter your credentials. If you don't, take a moment to sign up. Follow the prompts. It's a quick and simple process. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your Webflow dashboard. This is your control center for all things Webflow. Now, find the site for which you want to generate an API key. Click on its title to get started. This will open up more options for that particular site. Look for the Site Settings button and click it to proceed. Inside the site settings, you're going to scroll through several options. What you're looking for is the Integrations tab. This section is crucial for configuring external communications with your Webflow site, including API access. So, go ahead and click on the Integrations tab. As you explore the Integrations tab, scroll down until you reach the API Access section. This is where you'll generate your new API key. You'll find a button that says Generate API Token. Click this button when you're ready to proceed. Now, it's time to give your API token a unique and descriptive name. This is important for identifying the token later, especially if you plan to generate multiple API keys. Something simple like My Project API Key can work well. Once you've chosen a descriptive name, click the Generate Token button. Congratulations! Your API key has been successfully generated. However, keep in mind that you'll only see this key once, so you'll need to copy it immediately and store it in a safe place. Whether it's in a secure password manager or a safely locked document, just ensure it's somewhere retrievable yet protected. And there you have it. You've successfully generated a Webflow API key without a hitch. This key opens doors to various integrations and advanced functionalities for your Webflow projects. Thank you for joining me today, and happy building with Webflow. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out in the comments below.